In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Assign Pipe Invert Elevations command in GeoSTORM. This command allows you to assign pipe invert elevations based on different computation methods and also view the corresponding pipe profile plot for the selected path. To begin, go to the Input ribbon menu, click the Stormwater Pipes dropdown, and select Assign Pipe Invert Elevations. This will open the Assign Pipe Invert Elevations dialog box. In the Define Pipe Profile panel, you can set up the path of pipes or routing reaches that will be included. You can either select the upstream and downstream manholes, junctions, or pipes directly from the map view using the Pick button, or load a saved profile path from the dropdown. Once selected, the software automatically lists all the connected pipes in the table, displaying their IDs, invert elevations, ground cover, length, and slope. You also have the ability to lock or unlock rows to control which pipes will have their invert elevations recalculated. The Extract Elevation Data panel lets you define which terrain model will be used for the calculation. You can select an elevation grid, land XML data, or a tin surface. Depending on the option, the dialog updates to let you choose the appropriate surface or grid layer available in your project. The Pipe Invert Elevation Computation Options section allows you to refine how the inverts are determined. You can lower manhole inverts to meet pipe requirements, apply elevation changes to all adjacent upstream pipes, or define a manhole sump depth. For cases with multiple pipes flowing into a manhole, you can choose whether to leave inverts unchanged, match pipe inverts, match pipe crowns, or apply a defined invert drop across the manhole. You can also perform pipe profile checks by setting allowable limits for ground cover and pipe slope. If the computed values exceed these limits, the affected cells in the table are highlighted in red, making it easy to spot design violations. The downstream pipe computation method can also be controlled, whether keeping the invert unchanged, assigning a fixed depth below the terrain, setting depth relative to the manhole invert, or calculating slope from the upstream or downstream manhole. The View Pipe Profile tab provides a graphical representation of the defined profile path, showing the pipes, manholes, and ground surface, which helps in visually verifying the slope and continuity of the system. Once all options are defined, click Compute to calculate new invert elevations for unlocked pipes, and then click Assign to apply those values directly to your project.